What's new in TurboCAD 2023? Luminance Support. Render Manager. Uncheck and check Luminance Point2 enabled option to see difference. Change color from color option of Point2 Luminance to see difference. Uncheck and check Luminance Point2 shadows option to see difference. Change attenuation and limit. Click on Luminance Spot1. Uncheck and check Luminance Spot1 enabled option to see difference. Change color from color option of Spot1 Luminance to see difference. Change hotspot value to 30. Click OK from Render Manager and see result. Thanks for watching.